How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can put your 8BitDo in XInput mode. So to put your 8BitDo controller into the XInput mode, basically it's ideal for PC or for Windows gaming. And I'm going to use the Ultimate 2C right here that is compatible for our computers. The first thing that you want to do is to make sure that the controller is turned off. So just make sure that there are no turn signal or turn lights on the controller, and then right after we simply want to hold press the X button right here while pressing the start or home button until the light turns on. So the first thing that you want to do is to hold press the X button and then simultaneously press the power button, and from there this will then turn on the XInput mode. Now this will work for traditional models like the SN30 Pro, the Pro 2, M30, etc. But if you're using something similar to this one, which is going to be the Ultimate 2.4G or Ultimate C, you just want to make sure to flip the mode on the back to controller. So basically there's going to be modes on the back for something like Bluetooth and the 2.4 connection. You just want to make sure that you are using the 2.4 connection, and then you want to do the process that we have made. We're just going to be holding X and then press the power button. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.